that all.
Watch him. Watch him.
Yeah.
Wow, Sinatra.
Today we're gonna have lobster. Or are we gonna? Well, hello guys. Welcome to another episode on Neutral Vibes.
Neutral Vibes.
We are heading to somewhere that we don't even have a clue. It's the weekend. It's a holiday weekend in Jamaica, and you know, we're just trying to find out where it won't be crowded. You know, just to vibe. We're gonna enjoy ourselves today. We don't know. Maybe we get something to eat. Maybe we enjoy a little ice cream. Who knows? But we're heading on the road.
That is
Right?
it. That is.
So we'll soon tell you what we decide to do, guys. Just stay tuned. Neutral vibes.
Enjoy.
That's a good song to sing.
She get a whole heap of love and joy from a rabbit farmer. You see him little you when he am neutral.
Me not like that one. I come up with something different.
Neutral. Out the road.
I juggle pop chai.
No, you can't juggle pop chai.
I juggle rabbit.
Yo, 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 yo.
So guys, I just found out we are heading to Hellshire. I gotta eat fish. Stay tuned guys and enjoy. Let us see what it's going to be like. What kind of fish will I get? Come me want my, they call them dumpling there?
Oh, festivals?
Yeah, me love the festival. Yeah, me love fish. So let us see. Yeah.
Yo, today a big holiday at Jamaica. I hope the place not full up, you know?
But
So
if
it's
the place
dependent
full.
whether or not, if the place is full, whether or not we're going to have the fish.
But
you
if
know?
the place full new to me still need some dumpling. You call them thing there? Them festival. I love them, you see?
Yeah, yeah.
So yes, people want me festival.
Well, my boss. We don't care.
Per adult.
Yeah, man.
2?
Yeah, man. Alright. $100.
That's it. You coming from the white car, Malcolm?
When since I start church, you come in a Hellshire, so long when you come here, so Ben?
They have bathroom now, babe.
Eh?
They have restroom. Park at your own risk. Gentleman decided to give us a parking so we can buy fish from him. You know, Hellshire ever full. With a zinc fence and thing, but fish eat good. Yeah, you know, so over here full up. Over here always full, not just because it's a holiday weekend. Guys, the place to be is Ocean View, and if you want to contact someone, the gentleman right here, 356-1619. Guys, best place to come and have fish. How much my fish weigh?
4 pound maybe.
Not 2.5 a pound.
Yeah.
That's a 10 grand.
Yes. Yeah, don't get mine.
If we carry down my hand on it.
Come here. Stickers them. Carry out your hand.
Okay guys, today we're gonna have lobster. Or are we gonna have it?
Deep fried butter sauce, garlic.
Deep fried butter sauce, garlic.
Alright,
Okay,
chef this?
can't wait to have. Big
Hellshire
chef?
style.
Big chef? Hellshire style.
Alright, mad.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Cook it up, yeah. You see?
Awesome.
Just
And
like
we're
that.
also and guys, today we're gonna have $10,000 parrot meal. Yes? Let's stay tuned and see what our meal is going to be like. So we are here at Hellshire and we're waiting on our fish. And we're waiting on the lobster also. The guys are preparing it for us. And we're here and we're enjoying the day. We're enjoying the view. Oh my god, guys. Neutral vibes the best, right? Yes.
Yo, you have a video on camera and so well o'clock now. We say, wait! So, look. Camera there.
You can't tell me what go on here, sir.
Ball, man. You know that.
Think your man them a baller star.
I don't mind my ball. That's just what about it. See, they got more. That's why they squash that ball more. You don't find out think what ball, brother. Put the ball, brother.
Your man go and go kick.
See that? Watch out. See that?
Go and go juggle too. Sister now want juggle 2 ball too. Go and go juggle ball and show them how it's done. You see?
You want the piece?
You're good, man. You're good.
Oh my god. Awesome.
Go down here, sir?
Yeah.
A little piece of legend. Oh, go on, man.
So guys, this is what Hellshire is like on a holiday. Come on. The vibes is nice, everything just right.
Huh?
So guys, what is Jamaica without music? Look at this. Everywhere you go, always have some music. So this is Jamaica. And as usual, you must have somebody. I bury somebody at some point.
Oh, we're being caught on camera, guys.
Let's go on our way. So guys, this is the service.
Yes.
This is the service. Cars everywhere, guys. So we have our oh my god, look, you guys catching fish. Never know so red dirt that Hellshire. Fish tea soup?
Fish tea soup. Nice, well seasoned. So bad, you know? Well seasoned. Tasting all the spices, you know?
Newt. Storage place of fire, guys. Awesome little place. Very cute. You only get this at Ocean View. Guys, this is awesome. This food is amazing. Guys, remember Ocean View? Okay. So guys, I'm so excited about being here. It's awesome being here. Guys, the food is good. Everything is amazing.
Food good. Good. More work later.
It's a must.
Steam fish bad.
Alright.
You see me? I'm not taste the lobster. Yo, I'm going to taste it.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Let me
Definitely,
taste it.
quickly.
One lick up. Oh, man.
And everybody
Really mighty
don't know the big
appear
chef
thing
right
this
there.
afternoon.
Yes. One ocean view.
One ocean view, not never two.
Never two.
Good man, great.
Okay, guys, I'm diving into it right now.
The big chef.
I'm diving in. I'm diving in. Next to the big chef, guys.
One ocean view.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, the garlic.
Yeah. They say the spice nice. Send them
The
more.
spice, nice. The pepper, everything good.
Everything good.
Yeah, man.
Alright, big
Send
up.
them more. Big up.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Best place to be. Best place to be. Ocean view.
Alright, respect. They at Hellshire today, eating all the delicious fish and lobster. It was indeed a great experience, and I just want to thank you all for watching. I hope you like, subscribe and share.
Neutral vibes.
Neutral Vibes.